Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Scout. Sewing is one of those hobbies that is both creative and really practical. Sometimes, with just a piece of fabric and a good sewing machine, you can create amazing things. Curtains, tablecloths, pants, or even turn something that was never meant to be pants into a pair that actually fits. And the best part is, you do not need to be an expert to get started. You just need the right machine. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at some of the best sewing machines, each chosen for a different need. Whether you are just starting out or looking for strong performance, I will walk you through what makes each one stand out. Let's dive in. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Best Budget. This model is especially great for beginners, but it also has enough power and features to handle the needs of intermediate users. Singer is already known for making practical, durable machines, and this one definitely lives up to that reputation. One of the biggest highlights is its strong motor, which truly matches the heavy-duty name. It can sew up to 1,100 stitches per minute, which is a big advantage when working with thick fabrics. It handles materials like denim, upholstery fabric, and even light leather without much trouble. There are 23 built-in stitches and an automatic buttonhole function, which adds to its ease of use. The machine itself feels solid and stable, but it is also easy to move around. It has a built-in carrying handle, which makes it convenient if you do not have a dedicated sewing space. The only downside is that it does not come with a hard case, but that is something you might expect at this price point. Overall, the Singer 4423 is a solid choice for anyone who wants a simple but capable sewing machine that can handle a variety of projects without breaking the bank. Number 4. Brothers CS700X, Best for Beginners. On our list, we have the Brothers CS7000, which is especially well suited for those who are just getting started with sewing. Even though it is budget-friendly, it offers enough features to easily handle a wide range of home projects. One of its biggest advantages is the computerized interface, which makes it very simple to adjust your settings or change the thread tension whenever needed. The screen itself is not backlit, but the project light underneath is very helpful and does a great job of lighting up your workspace. The Brothers CS7000X comes with plenty of stitch options that are more than enough for most basic sewing tasks. It does have a pedal-free start button, and while it could be a bit more visible, it does not really take away from the overall experience. Probably the only downside is its buttonhole performance. The buttonholes do not always come out looking very neat, but unless you plan to sew a lot of buttonholes, or if you are mostly working on simple projects, this will likely not be a deal breaker. The retractable spool holder and easy stitch selection are small but thoughtful features that make this machine even more user-friendly. Overall, the Brothers CS7000X is a clear and reliable option for beginners who want a straightforward machine that gets the job done. Number 3. HUSQVARNA Viking Emerald 116, Best Versatility. If you're thinking about working on different projects like making clothes, home decor, or even quilting from time to time, this machine could be a really good choice. The design is simple but modern, and it has physical buttons and dials that make it easy to adjust the settings. One feature I really liked is the automatic needle threader, which saves time and frustration when changing threads. When it comes to performance, the Emerald 116 has a strong motor. This helps the machine sew smoothly and quietly. It can handle thick fabrics like denim or light leather without any problems. It also offers decorative stitches and different buttonhole options, which can give your projects a professional look. The machine is easy to carry and comes with a storage box for accessories. It runs without vibration, which makes it comfortable to use for a long time. One small downside is that the sewing area is a bit small. This could be a limitation if you want to work on large pieces. Also, some users have reported problems with the feed dog system after using the machine for a while. Still, with its overall performance, ease of use, and flexibility, the Emerald 116 seems like a smart choice for those who want one machine that can do many different tasks. Number 2. JUKI TL2000QI, Best Performance. This machine is especially good at straight stitching and can sew up to 1,500 stitches per minute, making it a very powerful model. You can use it comfortably for quilting, garment making, and tailoring tasks. The JUKI TL has a large working area, which is very suitable for people who work with large pieces. It also has useful features like a presser foot lever controlled by the knee and a thread trimming button. The machine is very sturdy and reliable, and users rarely report any problems. The fact that the machine only does straight stitching may be limiting for some people, but the stitch quality and thread tension are excellent. It can sew through thick fabrics like multiple layers of denim without any difficulty. With its fast and strong performance, it is a great choice for experienced users. The speed might be a little too fast for beginners, but for those who want good performance, this machine does its job very well. Number 1. JANOME MC6650, Best Overall. At number 1 on the list is the JANOME MC, which offers the best overall performance. This machine is very versatile and has many features. It has 170 different stitch options, 2 alphabets, an independent bobbin winder, and can sew up to 1,000 stitches per minute. It is great for quilting and various home projects. The machine's outer body and inner frame are made of metal, so it is a little heavy, but this makes it very sturdy. It is powerful and runs quietly. User reviews are very positive, especially from experienced sewers. It is not the best choice for beginners or for people who want to carry it around often. The large work area allows you to work comfortably on big projects. The lighting is very good, and it is excellent for free motion quilting. Practical features like automatic needle threading, a thread cutter, and a start and stop button make it easy to use. Also, being able to wind the bobbin separately is a big advantage. The machine is a bit heavy, and sometimes setting the tension can be a little difficult. Some basic accessories are not included in the box. However, overall, the control system is user-friendly. The JANOME MC is a strong and reliable machine for those who want quality and versatility in sewing. Thanks for watching and exploring these sewing machines with me. Whether you are just starting out or looking to upgrade, remember that choosing the right machine can make all the difference in your sewing journey. Take your time, think about what you really need, and pick a machine that fits your style and projects. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. If you have a favorite model that did not make our list, be sure to share it. If you're looking to buy one, check out the links in the description for more details and the best current deals. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Take care and see you in the next one.